Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Boxycharm. I got this Friday. It's pretty heavy. I'll show you why. I sneak peeked at it and on my eyes, this is last month's Boxycharm Ace Beauty or Ace Beauté. This reminds me of Huda Beauty. It has like the colors of what it would have. I don't have any Huda Beauty's palettes, but this reminds me because I do like a lot of YouTubing and yeah. So this is what I'm wearing. This is my base. This is for like the inner like contouring. I use this and this one for the upwards in my crease. I use Poppy, which is my favorite, and Rose. So Poppy I just put in my outer corners, and I didn't use Rose today. I used Primrose for the inner parts of my eyes. Then I use this for making a line up here, so it's like a little digged in. Because what I use is this I got from eBay, and I put this here to make it stick. So that's a good, if you got like liquid highlighters, just use a liquid highlighter and some eyeshadow to do a line. You can see this one better. A line of eyeshadow on your crease. So that is last month's, and I love this palette. It's super cute. Alright, this month's Boxycharm. This is what it looks like inside. They don't have the like, usually they have like the secure stuff in. So this month is Tis the Sea Sun. Tis the Sea Sun. Just cute, little flamingo. Tropical look. And first I'm going to show you what I got. Is why it's so heavy, is a PYT mini hair straightener. And this costs $75. And on the back of the package, it's actually $75. So yeah. And it's PYT, it's a girl's world. And it comes with, this is why I did my hair like this today, because I will show you this hair straightener. It's my first time using it, and yes, I did sneak peek at it, and it's green. This is really tiny, so hopefully it works well. And what I've noticed, it doesn't have like a dial of where you can set this. So yeah, here's what it looks like. And I will excuse this and bring the camera over here so I will show you. Excuse the mess in the back, because everybody demonstrates this. I should bring my chair over. Sometimes I do my hair with my chair, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna bring my chair and get this done. Alright, that is not working in my plugs. I don't know what is going on. I'm going to try it again. Maybe back to my little area, because that is not working over there for some reason. And I don't really have a plug-in over here. So I'm going to have to do something else. Alright, it fit perfectly in this plug. And it's a mess up here, but okay. And then this, I think, is heat proof. So let me turn that on so it can heat up. Set our brushes over here. It's a mess up here. Excuse the mess. Okay, let me straighten up my camera. Okay, it heats up pretty quickly so far. It's like this. Okay. So it heats up pretty quickly. So I'm glad this came with like a case slash a mat for the straightener. And this heats up to 400 degrees. It get these pesky baby hairs, straightening those bangs or touch up your curls. On the go with this incredibly portable, adorable PYT mini straightener. The flat ceramic flats adjust as you style, allows you to create straight wavy curls. Locks, this little guy reaches a maximum of 400 degrees. So, and it heats up pretty quickly. So what I seen on YouTube is what you can do is braid your hair and then heat it up. Ooh, and it goes fast, so. And you could do like straws I seen, but that's like, I would do like one of these and you wrap it around your hair and use the straightener. So do this like a couple times, I'm guessing. Let's see if this side work as much. So it did like, my hair is really straight. So I'm sure you could do like this with it, like, I don't know. I will try it out and test it for a while and see. It really heats up, like, it's really hot quickly. And you can do like curls like this, waves. I'll do it on the side real quick. It's really tiny straightener, and I can't believe like it's $75 for this little thing. But yeah, I will have to like do more to this straightener. It's weird to get this in a 21 subscription box. I would think like Fit Me Fun or something. Fat Fun, something like that. But you would think it would be in one of those. But yeah, you can. I'm gonna shut it off because it's like really hot. I'm glad again you can use that as a mat. Okay, that was my first experience with that straightener. Okay, next. I have this Marajo anti-freeze smoothing serum capsules. And this is $28. I can't believe it because it's not packaged. It was already like this, already open. And I'll open to show you. They don't come with much in it for $28. I don't know. But I don't think I will use it since my hair is like not that bad. I'm not going to use that. So get ready for gorgeous hair with ultimate shine, softness, and sleekness. The Marajo, I don't know how to say this. Anti-freeze smoothing serum nurtures with shea butter and helps prevent heat damage with protecting. So it helps with heat damage, and it's good maybe with something like this and to curl it. And I have to curl my hair and do fancy stuff, so I might use it since it's for heat protecting. But then again, they gave me like so little of this. I can't believe it's $28. Anyways, I got this Tarte glitter lip paint in the shade of Flaming Hot. This sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitters and delivers a luscious a high shine finish. So this retails for $20. It's purple and glittery, shiny. I'm not going to use this for sure. So this is going in the giveaway. I like Tarte. Tarte is awesome. Expensive, yes. Not in my price range. So that here pays for the whole box. And basically I just got this $75 for free and this for free. And I got this Chella tantalizing something eyebrow cream. And this is variation 4. And this eyebrow cream is $26. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream shapes your brows with creamy intensity. Excuse me. And built-in brush. So here's the brush. And here is the cream. So for like $30 almost. I don't know. So let's try this out. So you dip it in like this. And I guess you just swipe it across. It makes my eyebrows darker. So you like it. This is weird. I don't normally do my brows, but it's really dark. But I will try this out even more and see if I even like it even more. But that's what it looks like. It's a little, I don't normally do my eyebrows, so if it's not looking like it should, sorry. I will test more on this. And that was $26. The last is Wander Beauty Dusk Till Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. And this is why I didn't wear anything on my cheeks yet. And this is what it looks like. Wander Beauty dusk to dawn, so it's in a cute little package. And I see people like still keep these. I don't know if I will keep these boxes. I don't know. But it's already in a cute box itself. And it comes with this clear thing that fell out to protect the mirror with these beautiful shades. We have Toucan Sunrise, I think that's what it says, Havana Nights, and City Lights. Kind of rhymes. So those are the colors. It comes with a cute little mirror. And where is my blush brush? Oh, I got this big old blush brush. So I'll do the darkest in the middle. And I don't think you need much. So you're gonna have to blend it in if you put too much. If I don't put too much. This one did okay, better. Just wipe it on my pajama pants. And next I'll do the Toucan or Tucson. No, it's Toucan Sunrise. Like to blend it out even more. Sorry it's taking a long time. And then City Lights was like the highlight. I used the same brush. If you can hear my cat, she's trying to come in. So this is it for Boxycharm. What do you think about this? It's pretty good. Pretty good box. At first I was like, like what would I do with this? But I will figure out better curls with that. I'm trying to stick my, and then like, yeah. So here is the box, same old box for Boxycharm. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm? What do you think about mine? And did you get one of these very little expensive items? And this box is $175 for this whole thing, so like $200. Okay, I don't have that much money to spend on makeup, but Boxycharm just did good. I'm gonna say it did good. Probably 4 out of 5 or 3 out of 5 because I'm still working on this. I decided to keep this because I will experience more with that, and I might test these out. I'm not sure yet. This Tarte lip paint, tartest lip paint, I'm not going to use for sure. And this I will get to know this more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to my channel. And this is Boxycharm. Bye now.